Hey, it's Ryan for Sitesfor.church. I want to show you something that we've been asked a lot about, and that is how to edit the text on the welcome page. Now, up until now, that wasn't really possible. That was something that had to be done by our site reps. But I've been playing around with some other content management systems and looking at how they are built, and I think I figured out a good way to do that. And so you're going to start seeing this pop up. If you start with a new site, you'll see it right away, but you're going to start seeing this welcome page base pop up on your Airtable account, and it's got two tabs to deal with. Now, the main one deals with the body of the text. You'll notice that all of the designs, whether it's this, which is the Virginia theme, or the New England theme, or the California theme, or whatever theme we're using, you'll notice that all of the designs use sort of a banded design where they have, sections that take up the whole page and several of them in order. And so in this one we have visiting our church, our services for the kids, etc. All right. The way that we're working this is there are just each row in this base equals one of these bands. So, we got visiting our church here. That's the section title, which is where this is coming from. And then we have, it does make a difference, We can click on this again, expand that. That's just in Markdown. And that gives us this. And then there's the option of having an image, and that will be displayed the same way. And if you do want to use images, my suggestion would be that you sort of stagger them so that maybe one band has an image and then this band doesn't, and then maybe this band does, or maybe you can skip two. Instead of having an image for every one, I think it would look better if they were staggered a little bit. But you can just add an image here and it will display the way that it needs to on the page. The last thing that's on here is this order, and this just helps us keep this in order. You can always click and drag the rows around if you want to, but this doesn't actually go by here by the order here. It goes by the order of these numbers, and so that's just something we need you to do to help us out so that the data comes in the right order. So that's that. Now the second tab here is the settings tab, and this one's a little bit just a one row base here, and there's just three things, actually just two things to add. This is just instructions, but you've got page heading and featured image. The page heading is going to be this big heading across the page. So this one says new to Hartwell. That's this. The featured image is this picture right here, and again that's going to be a 16:9 image, and depending on what theme you're using for your welcome page, the image and the heading will display a little bit different, but this is where you'll manage those things. So you can make changes here to the welcome page content and still have kind of a little bit more of an interesting design by using this welcome page base, and hope this is easy to figure out for you.